2026 will be the year when the humanoid robots actually become real. It won't just be a part of science fiction anymore, and it will actually be a possibility that robots will be something that you have in your house, living with you on an everyday basis. So let's look into 1X Neo Robot. Let's talk about some statistics. The robot itself is 5'6" tall, it weighs around 66 pounds, with battery life around 4 hours long, which is surprisingly short. It has soft body, 4 mics, 3 speakers, and advanced cameras for vision. It can lift around 154 pounds, and it can carry around 55 pounds. The creators of the Neo robot advertise it as someone who can do your tasks for you, even when you're not home. But this raises a big safety concern. For example, what if there would be any danger at home, like a fire hazard? How would the robot react to it, and what actions would it take? As well as if it would open the door to strangers, or if there will be any other dangerous situation, what actions will it take? According to 1X, Neo will be able to move, understand speech, and learn from real-world experiences, basically combining OpenAI's large language models with physical robotics. They even claim that Neo will be able to perform tasks autonomously and intuitively, like a human-level coworker. And the wildest part? They've already started taking pre-orders. Neo is listed for around $20,000 with shipments planned for 2026. It sounds like the future is here, until you realize we've seen this hype of cycle before. Remember the Rabbit R1? It launched in early 2024 as this bright orange AI companion that was supposed to change how we interact with technology. Everyone hyped it out. It had huge launch events, celebrity endorsements, even companions to first iPhone. But when viewers finally got their hands on it, the truth hit fast. It barely worked. The voice commands lagged, AI responses were inconsistent, and basic features like navigation and messaging just failed. Within weeks, people realized they've bought a prototype in disguise. The point is, the pattern keeps repeating. Big promises, viral marketing, and beautiful concept that isn't quite yet real. Neo feels like it's walking the same line, except this time, instead of pocket-sized gadget, it's full-size humanoid robot. Its website is very clean and seamless. It's showcasing the tasks that humanoid robot can do, which includes bringing you water or opening a door for you, as well as more complex tasks, for example, cleaning the house or unloading the dishwasher. As well as it shows what is behind the looks of that robot, as well as like the insides and how it was made and what makes it so it can function properly. It shows the demos and everything like that, as well as it gives you the opportunity to buy it. That robot costs around $20,000, or you can buy a subscription for it for around $500 a month, which is insane considering that it's not even made. There isn't a final product for it, and it's not completed at all. As you saw from the demo, there was a person using a VR set to operate it, so therefore, they're selling you dreams. They're selling you promises that they don't even know if they can make true or not. And the thing is, there isn't even a release date for it. It just says that it will be released somewhere in 2026 without any precise date or even month. So this is something to think about, considering that you would be paying $20,000 for something that wasn't even made yet.